What's going on, beautiful people? I hope all is well, and thanks for allowing me back into your home. Just want to give you an update on where I am on this 383 build. I did get the AC bracket in place, got the AC compressor mounted, got the alternator bracket with the power steering in place. Water pump is put on. I did tap the top of the water pump for the steam vent tube. Just got a few odds and ends that I got to put on it. Some sensors, crank sensor, cam sensor. Well, not the cam sensor because it's on back order. Should be in later on this month. Uh, Go ahead and get the starter in place. But just want you to take a look at how it turned out. Oh, I got my intake back from the paint shop as well. I'll show you that also. Got some covering up the ports on the compressor so no nasties crawl in there and set up shop. But man, I am digging this. It came out, uh, exceeded my expectations. It really did. I learned a lot. I hope you learned some things as well. But I would do it again. Definitely would do it again. All right, going to go ahead and put the crank sensor in. Before you put it in, though, be sure that you lube up the O-ring with a little engine oil. Don't want to go too tight on the bolt, just a little bit past snug. I'm gonna go ahead and put this head plug back in as well. Before I do put it in, I'm going to put some thread sealing on it. Wipe off the excess. Alright, gonna install the water temperature sensor as well. Did put on some thread sealant. All right, beautiful people, that pretty much concludes the build of this 383 stroker. Uh, it has been an adventure. I've learned a lot. I hope you have learned something as well. If you have any questions, wait a minute. I am not running that intake. Hold on just a second. All right, that's more like it right there. That's the intake I'm rolling with. Bring you in closer. That looks nice right there. That looks nice right there. I think that accent's pretty good. Pretty good. I like that. I like that. Be sure to post your comments in the comments section. I would love to hear your feedback. Tell me what you think. Tell me about the overall build. If you have any questions or anything, feel free to put them in the comment section. Till next time.